What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rachie. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to make over $10,000 a month selling online or any other side hustle. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to calculate your profit margin, FBA, and also an FBM, which is fulfillment by you. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the computer so I can show you guys step by step. So first thing first, you're gonna log in into your Amazon account, then you're gonna go into all inventory, manage inventory, then you're gonna go into FBA inventory. Under FBA inventory, there's the dashboard you're gonna see all the product you have in Amazon right now. Here where he said fulfillment fees, so fulfillment fees charged per unit for picking and package your orders, shipping and handling customer service, and product returns. So use the FBA revenue calculator. So we're gonna click on right here on revenue calculator, and you're gonna sign up into your account. Mine is already signed up. It's just gonna give you right here. So you basically gonna type one of the product they give you recommendation, or one of the product you actually selling right now on Amazon. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy the ASIN, then you're gonna paste it here. I'm gonna show you guys with this product. I'm pasting the ASIN, search, it's gonna give you the product you're selling, and right now we're gonna calculate the A's and how much profit you're making on this product. So basically each product I'm selling it for $27. Here you can see Amazon for charge. Amazon is $7.28, and the storage fee is 15 cents. So what I'm gonna do the cost on how much I purchased this product, which is $7.99. That's how much I pay for this product. And miscellaneous cost can be you bought to ship this product to Amazon, label, and how much you pay to send them to Amazon. So I'll put $1 on each product, and that's it. So you guys can see all the way down it say estimate cost per unit is $20, and net profit is $6.53. So the net profit is $6.53, and the net margin is 24.17%. Important for you guys to understanding what's the net margin. So that's the profit you taken from this product after all those costs. So if you're gonna pay taxes, you're gonna pay taxes on the $6.53. So you're not gonna pay taxes based on the $27 you selling this product, and etc. But if you wanted to check product you fulfilled by yourself, it's basically the same thing. So it's 27. I ship it by myself, it will be $8.50 for me to ship this product. That's basically how much it usually is for me to ship this product, $8.50. The reason I don't put shipping charge this product, I purchased them, I go ahead and I drove to buy this product. If you was buying this product from China and you pay for shipment, you will have to include it here so you can see your net margin on this product. I pay $8.50, so I'll say my miscellaneous will be like around $1. I store this product on my storage. I don't pay a storage fee for them. So if you paying like storage for your product, you need to include storage fees. So estimate monthly units. So in total, when I count, I sold around 100 product of this product. You can see the difference. If I ship by Amazon, I save time, I don't have to deal with customers. So the net profit for fulfillment by Amazon, it will be 24%, and the net profit for me, it will be 20.22%. So the good thing about it is like I save my time, I don't have to deal with customer. Amazon deal with that on my behind. About fulfillment by you is like if you have a new product, you want to promote this product and you want to do like like discount on this product, you can do like marketing. And if you want to send this customer to a different website other than Amazon, you can send this customer to a different website. You can do your marketing into the box you shipping the product to the customer. But with Amazon fulfillment, you cannot do it unless you already do it prior. So once you pack this order to ship by to Amazon, so you already do it. So that's basically it. That's how to calculate your net profit on this product. So I'm gonna tell you guys how much I make a month selling this product. So I sell like 100 times 653. So in total, I'm making $653 every month on this product. It usually sometimes it's more than 100, but I just put 100 so to be sure. So in total, I'm making like $653 on one product only. So some of the product I'm making like over 3,000. Some of them I'm making 200, some of them I'm making 300. So it's easy to make like $10,000 a month just by selling on Amazon. So, and that's profit. I'm not talking about expenses, because so many people on YouTube line, they will tell you they're making so much money, but those products, they're not like revenue, you know. I said, so that's how you guys need to check your net margin and your net profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. If you guys want me to cover a topic regarding Amazon or any other way to make money online, so make sure you guys comment down below the topic, so I'll do my best to cover it.